Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this episode we are going to show us about makeup tips for different types of face shapes. What is face shape? Face shape refers to the overall outline and proportions of your face. It's determined by the relative widths of your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline, as well as the length of your face. Your face shape is like a unique canvas, and just like any artist, you can use makeup to enhance your features and create the look you desire. Understanding your face shape is the first step in mastering the art of contouring and highlighting, creating a flawless base for your makeup masterpiece. Identifying your face shape. Before you reach for your makeup brushes, take a moment to study your reflection. There are 7 basic face shapes. Oval, the classic ideal. This face shape has a balanced length and width, with a slightly rounded jawline. Round faces have similar width and length, with softer angles and a slightly wider jawline. Square faces feature strong, angular lines, a wider forehead, and a square jawline. Heart, this face shape is wider at the forehead, tapering down to a pointed chin. Long or rectangle, this face shape is longer than it is wide, with a rectangular outline and a prominent chin. Diamond, the widest points of a diamond face are the cheekbones, with a narrower forehead and chin. Pear or triangle, this face shape is wider at the jawline than the forehead, creating a pear-like silhouette. The power of contouring and highlighting. Contouring and highlighting are makeup techniques that play with light and shadow to sculpt and define facial features. Contouring involves using darker shades of foundation, powder, or cream to create shadows that make certain areas appear smaller or recede. Highlighting involves using lighter shades to bring forward and illuminate features. Makeup tips for each face shape. Here's a breakdown of makeup tips tailored to each face shape. 1. Oval face. Goal: maintain the balance and harmony of the oval face. Contouring: use contouring powder or cream on the temples and jawline to define the edges. Highlighting: apply highlighter to the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and cheekbones. 2. Round face. Goal: create the illusion of a longer, more defined face. Contouring: contour the temples, jawline, and sides of the nose to create a slimmer appearance. Highlighting: highlight the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and the center of the chin. 3. Square face. Goal: soften the angular features and create a more oval-like shape. Contouring: contour the temples, sides of the jawline, and under the cheekbones. Highlighting: apply highlighter to the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and the center of the chin. 4. Heart face. Goal: balance the wider forehead with a fuller chin. Contouring: contour the sides of the forehead, jawline, and under the cheekbones to create a more symmetrical shape. Highlighting: highlight the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and the tip of the chin to add fullness. 5. Long or rectangle face. Goal: shorten the length of the face and create a more balanced appearance. Contouring: contour the jawline and temples to create a wider look. Highlighting: apply highlighter to the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and under the cheekbones. 6. Diamond face. Goal: soften the sharp angles and create a more oval-like shape. Contouring: contour the temples and jawline to create a wider forehead and chin. Highlighting: highlight the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and the center of the chin. 7. Pear or triangle face. Goal: narrow the wider jawline and emphasize the forehead. Contouring: contour the sides of the jawline and under the cheekbones to create a narrower appearance. Highlighting: highlight the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and cheekbones. Additional tips: blending is key. Always blend your contour and highlight seamlessly to avoid harsh lines. Experiment with shades. Find shades of contour and highlight that complement your skin tone. Practice makes perfect. Take the time to practice these techniques to find what works best for you. Beyond face shape, enhancing features. Remember, face shape is just one element of your unique beauty. Makeup can also be used to enhance other features. Eyes. Use eyeliner and mascara to define your eyes, and eyeshadow to add dimension and color. Lips. Choose lipstick shades that complement your skin tone and enhance your natural lip shape. Brows. Well-defined brows can frame your face and add definition. Conclusion: the beauty of makeup lies in its ability to enhance your natural features and create the look you desire. By understanding your face shape and the principles of contouring and highlighting, you can confidently use makeup to create a flawless base for your beauty routine. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Embrace your unique features, and let your face be your canvas for a beautiful, expressive, and confident you. What kind of face shape do you have? Let's discuss it further. I can offer more specific tips and even recommend some products based on your face shape. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a like. See you next time.